Following its victory in the Supreme Court of Appeal, public interest organization Freedom Under Law says what prompted it to turn to the SCA over the case of Judge Nkola Motata was the JSC's failure to do its job in terms of the Constitution.
The JSC has failed to deal properly with judges that misbehave, not because of the legal rules that are tricky, but because they are unwilling to deal with sufficient firmness with judges that have stepped out of line and unfitted themselves for judicial office. The Motata case is one example. The Shilpa case is the more glaring other example. So in the result, we've had cases running for 16 years without coming to a conclusion, and the image of the judiciary suffers severely.
The organization previously launched an application in the Gauteng High Court in Johannesburg to review and set aside the JSC's decision of the 10th of October 2019, which found Motata guilty of misconduct. The JSC further imposed a fine of just over 1 million to be paid to the South African Judicial Education Institute. This application, however, was dismissed. The organization contended that Motata's conduct constituted gross misconduct which warranted his removal from office. A judicial conduct tribunal found the judge guilty of gross misconduct and recommended to the JSC that he be referred to Parliament for a vote on his impeachment in terms of Section 177 of the Constitution. However, the JSC did not do so. In the lengthy judgment delivered on Thursday, the SCA stated that Motata's conduct was deplorable, adding that for as long as he is entitled to be called Judge Motata, the judiciary continues to be stained in the eyes of the public. Judicial watchdog Judges Matter have welcomed the judgment, adding that Motata's episode provides clarity that will deter delays in impeachment-related cases in the future.
One of the reasons that this case has taken so long is because there are a large number of the provisions in the legislation that were challenged by Judge Motata, and he also invoked his right to appeal a number of decisions. And I think on both grounds, what that's going to mean is that for cases that are coming now, and there are a couple coming now, that there are going to be a lot of issues that are resolved and that can't then be used to delay matters at this stage. So that's a helpful development.
Judges Matter further expressed concern over the delay in dealing with conduct issues. The judicial watchdog noted as an example the case of suspended Western Cape Judge President John Hlophe, which was sent to the President in July of 2022, but the complaint was originally brought to the JSC in 2008. Kani Mapanga, SABC News, Johannesburg.